Hi guys, this is jason.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Allview V3 Viper. It's a special phone because it inaugurates the Android Oreo operating system on an Allview handset. So Allview is a Romanian brand. We have played with quite a few of their phones, also reviewed one recently, and here we go. So warranty, and this is an unboxing, so let's see what this Viper is all about. As the name shows, we're dealing with a sort of mid-ranger tailored for the youngsters. They want something cool, they want something good looking and also pretty well spec'd. As you can see, we already got a protection for the front side, also one for the back side. Let's actually try maybe and remove this plastic layer at the back. That's more like it. As I mentioned before on the previous Oreo phones, the back side is made using the technology IML art, which offers it a special glossy look, although it's a plastic material, but it's more resilient and better looking. So Allview V3 Viper. It was announced in early January and it should be priced at around $239. It comes in black, gold or silver, and it's got only Android Oreo on board, also the 18:9 aspect ratio screen, which you also saw in the Infinity models. Now, since it's an unboxing, let's proceed and see what is inside the box. There seems to be a pretty generous package, and we are seeing the pretty hefty manual for the V3 Viper. Also have a special case which is flexible and transparent, and a protective film, here we go, for the screen. And then we uncover the headphones, which have a pretty typical design. As you can see, I've seen these type of headsets before with other Allview phones. And then we come across the metal key used to access the slots and the USB cable. It's of the micro USB 2.0 variety, plus the charger, which is this one here. It's quite hefty and offers 5-volt 2-ampere charging. All of these are inside the box, so quite a few accessories. They will rely on protection. It's not something random to have the special protection, because the phone may be prone to some scratches, this backside I mean. So let's fire it up and see what we're dealing with. Once again, the first contact with Android Oreo on an Allview phone, which measures 8.1 millimeters in thickness and weighs 143.6 grams. It's got a 2.5D glass panel at the front. It's got a 5.5-inch screen, an IPS LCD with the 1440/720 pixel resolution. Okay, so I'll say it again, 1440/720 pixels and Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Inside there's a quad-core CPU. I'm betting it's a MediaTek. And here we go. We will see if it's a MediaTek or not when we review the phone. Till then, I'm going to select English, this here, and let's go. The setup has started. We have dual SIM card slots. One of them is a hybrid, so you can either use a micro SD or a SIM, nano SIM. Skip. Got a fingerprint scanner. Of course, it's placed at the back. Here, when we go further, we agree with the terms, and voila, we are already in the core interface. And that's what Oreo looks like on an Allview phone. Now, other specs aside from the quad-core CPU, there's 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, micro SD card slot, dual SIM setup, and on the camera front there's a 13 megapixel shooter here with LED flash, and another 13 megapixel shooter here which probably has its own LED flash. I've seen that a lot on Allview phones, and we are also promised features like group selfie and a special type of face beauty. Other than that, a pretty impressive sounding 3000 mAh lithium polymer battery, which promises up to 740 minutes of talk time. So I want to see exactly the version of software running on here, and it's Android 8.0.0 Oreo as promised. We also have the virtual assistant Allview from Allview in Romanian, English and Polish, and this is another premiere. Aside from being the first phone from Allview with Oreo, it's also the first that lets you use the dual WhatsApp feature. So basically you can use 2 WhatsApp accounts on a single phone, which is a nice feature to have nowadays. It's got 4G LTE category 4, and I'm a bit curious about the camera interface. Here we go. It seems pretty straightforward, minimalistic. We seem to have a sort of hybrid zoom. I'm going to look into that, even though we have a singular camera. There's panorama, HDR, A variety of options here like text recognition, slow motion, GIF, mood photo, group selfie, smart scan, card scanner, and many more to discover. So this is the Allview V3 Viper, priced at $239. It feels incredibly light in the hand, it has pretty narrow bezels, it's very good looking, it's a phone for the teenager, and once again it runs on Android Oreo. We'll be back with a full review very soon. Till then, bye bye.